In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your VAT ID tax on Facebook ads account. 5 minutes. Adding your VAT ID to your Facebook ads account ensures your invoices show the correct tax information and helps you stay compliant in your region. Let's walk through it together from start to finish so you know exactly where everything is and what to look for. First, open your browser and head to Facebook Ads Manager. You can type Facebook Ads Manager into your search engine and click the official result. On the landing page, select Go to Ads Manager. If you're not already signed in, you'll be taken to the login screen. Enter your account credentials and proceed by clicking Login. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that prompt so you can continue. Once you're in, you'll land on the campaign's dashboard. From here, look for the navigation that leads to your billing area. Click Billing and Payments to open the Billing Hub. This is where Facebook stores your payment methods, invoices, and tax settings. Inside the Billing Hub, choose Payment Settings. This opens a detailed page with your payment methods, thresholds, and business details. Scroll down until you find the Business Info section. This is the area that controls the legal details displayed on your invoices, including your tax information. Click Edit to make changes. In the Edit view, scroll to the bottom of the Business Information panel. That's typically where you'll see the VAT or Tax ID field. Enter your VAT ID exactly as it appears on your registration. Depending on your country, you may need to include the country prefix, and some regions have specific formatting rules. Make sure the legal business name and address on this page match your VAT registration records. Mismatches can cause validation issues or delays in the correct tax treatment on invoices. When the VAT ID is entered and you've confirmed your business details are accurate, click Save. You should see a confirmation that your settings were updated. Going forward, your invoices should reflect your VAT ID. Keep in mind that updates may not retroactively change past invoices, so check your newest invoice to confirm everything looks right. That's it. You've navigated from Ads Manager to Billing and Payments, opened payment settings, edited your business info, added your VAT ID, and saved your changes. If the VAT field doesn't appear, double check that you're viewing the correct ad account and that your business country and currency are set correctly in the same section. Thanks for watching. If this helped, consider reviewing your invoices after your next charge to confirm the VAT ID displays as expected.